Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the SIBO, I'm Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, today is the first trading day of 2009 after a 2008 that many people are very eager to put behind them. Looking back at the last year, we had the S&P down almost 40% on the year, the NASDAQ down 40%. Just a really tough year in many respects. The last 2 quarters of 2008, we saw the VIX, the volatility index, rise to levels, prolonged levels that we hadn't seen before. We had settlements over 60. We had weeks at a time where we'd be trading well above 50. And as 2008 wrapped to a close, we've been slowly seeing the VIX break out of this very high vol pattern. So over the holidays, we've seen the VIX climb down from 60 to 50, and today it broke through 40. The VIX cash is at about 37.5. The January future is at about 39, and most of the back month futures are under 40. So what we've been seeing over the holidays is very quiet trading, and people didn't know whether this was just for the holidays or whether this is a new type of trading environment that we're entering post-December. Over the last couple weeks, we've had the S&P 500 moving at about 25 vol, which would imply a 25 level on the VIX. Now, people have been expecting volatility to return after the holidays, but we're slowly walking out of the holidays, and we really haven't seen a return in volatility. So as a result, the 50 level on the VIX dropped to 40, and now we're dropping even lower. Looking forward to the next couple weeks, we are starting to see bids in January puts that were previously basically off the board. The January 30 puts, people are quarter bid. They've been trading 30 cents today. The January 32 puts, we have them worth about 65 cents right here. You know, the market's 60 at 75. So lower VIX levels, people are starting to have more interest in buying puts at those dollar prices. The dollar prices that only 2 weeks ago were offered at a nickel, were totally off the board. So we'll see. We're going to see, this is first day of 2009. We'll see if we continue high volatility or the return to the 30s and lower is upon us. This is Jamie Tyrrell, Group 1 Option Monster.
Any of you boys see an aircraft carrier around here?